Good morning everyone, so look at another rotary watch. Yeah, so let's get right to it, shall we? Done quite a few rotary watches over time. So initially look at the outside box. I've got a rotary embossed cardboard outside cover here, revealing a British navy green colour box. That's not gone well. You think after doing all these unboxing videos that I'd know how to unbox a watch. Again, that kind of theme is consistent going all around the outside. A little bit of sort of charcoal grey detailing right around the outside. That's probably to match the effect on the rotary print on the top of the lid. Simple lift-off lid, revealing consistent ash grey. That's the word I'm looking for. Ash grey interior components. So here we go guys, this is the Rotary Windsor Dress watch, a 33mm case diameter with a 7.3mm case thickness, retails at around about £150 and weighs, it says 150 grams, it's not 150 grams, it feels like 100 or less, because of the strap, and uses a quartz movement. So let's have a look at the dial here. So you've got a sort of a there's like a circular sort of effect to it. It's a cream style dial, sort of a lots of circular effect going on around the inside. I'm not sure what sort of dial this is. Sapphire glass going over the top of the actual watch. Can't even remove the thing. There we go. With fully rose gold increments, fully rose gold hands, not luminous or anything like that, and rose gold detailing on the date dial. This face really catches the light quite nicely, as you can see from how it's reflecting around the face of the watch. Really stands out quite a lot actually, with the sort of light catching different angles on the actual face. This watch is waterproof to 50 meters, and you've got full stainless steel PVD rose gold plating going all around the actual outside here. It's got a sort of a tonneau shape. Tonneau shapes are sort of the Richard Mille style shapes, if you have a look at those online. Very, very flat style watch. Let's have a look at the crown. So the crown's still got that sort of polished effect, same as the casing. Very easy to pull that crown out. Not as in it feels flimsy, but it feels nice, and it's very easy to access that crown. Very nice push down as well. Nice firm click on that. Yeah, the only thing that puts me off the bat is just how uniform the hands are relative to the increments. I'd rather have them a little bit more of a different shape, but it's no matter. That's just my personal view. So a little bit about Rotary. It was founded in 1895 in Switzerland, but then 1905 it moved to headquarters in London. And became over time it became the timepiece supplier for the British Army. That's probably why they go for the British Army green on their watch boxes. So coming out to the strap, you've got a crocodile leather style strap. I'll tell you the width now. Let's have a little look at that. So it's a 23mm strap, crocodile leather in jet black, with full black stitching going all the way down the outside here. It's not a very thick strap at all, it's very thin actually. It's sort of two plates. You've got the leather top plate and the beige underneath plate there. Simple holes as well to hold the buckle in place. They don't have any metallic rings in that, which means these will stretch over time if you're wearing it in more of a tight fit. Often people go for that because it will then stretch to be more tailored to you. Have a look at the buckle. Nice rose gold PVD rotary buckle, held in a very strong, decent quality pin that goes through here. There's a decent amount of resistance to the actual buckle when you're moving that around. Come around the back of the watch, got that full beige finish to the back of the actual genuine leather. Two holders for the leather strap to sit in, one that's free roam, one that's fixed in place. They're only sort of standard cheap style ones really. And the back of the actual back plate, you've got 125 years watchmaking celebrity edition back plate on the back here. there we go, guys. That is the Rotary Windsor Dress watch.